Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. 10 amazing health benefits of corn silk tea. Oksusu-cha or corn tea is a customary Korean tea produced using corn. While oksusu-suyeom-cha or corn silk tea refers to the tea made from corn silk, oksusu-cha can be made from corn parts, corn silk, or a combination of both. The caffeine-free infusion is a famous hot beverage in winter. Along with barley tea, oksusu-cha is one of the free grain teas served in many restaurants in place of water. Would you like to know more? Corn silk contains stigmasterol and sitosterol, which are extremely effective in preventing heart disease and high cholesterol. It also has plant acids that help in boost oral and skin conditions, namely well as regulating glucose levels in your body. The most ordinary way to make use of corn silk is in the form of tea. You should expressly make corn silk tea a staple in your home. Here Natural Health shares 10 amazing benefits you can get from corn silk tea. Number 1. Provides vitamin C. With corn silk tea, you find lots of vitamin C. This is a strong antioxidant that helps prevent the damage of free radicals and cardiovascular diseases. It also stimulates blood circulation, which is necessary for the optimal functioning of all the vital organs of the body. Number 2. Reduces blood sugar. Corn silk tea is huge for people with high blood pressure. It boosts in reducing the levels of blood sugar by increasing insulin levels in the body. It is also a superb natural treatment for congestive heart failure, diabetes, high cholesterol, etc. Number 3. Reduces gout. Corn silk tea has much surprises substance. These help in reducing pain that is connected with gout. Start by drinking 3 cups of corn silk tea a day. Once you increase relief from the pain, cut it down to 1 cup a day. Number 4. Treats bedwetting. This is a problem that children and adults face. Corn silk tea is a very effective home remedy for bedwetting. Specialist recommends drinking 1 cup of corn silk tea before going to bed to treat this problem. Number 5. Helps cope with kidney problems. Corn silk tea is also a surprising home remedy for kidney problems. It is highly effective in treating conditions that are related to the kidneys, including painful urination, urinary tract infection, bladder infection, inflammation of the urinary system, kidney stones, etc. Number 6. Boosts digestion. This beneficial tea helps in boosting digestion and treating digestive problems. The experiment has shown that corn silk tea can stimulate the secretion of bile by the liver. This bile is stored in the gallbladder, resulting in exact digestion of food. Number 7. Controls bleeding. One of the many benefits of drinking corn silk tea is that it shifts your body with vitamin K in a good amount. This vitamin is important for regulating bleeding, especially for women who are going through childbirth. Number 8. Increases urine. As mentioned earlier, corn silk tea is a useful natural solution for kidney problems. This is because it helps in increasing the amount of urine. When this occurs, you can avoid many kidney problems as toxins and other harmful substances are efficiently flushed out of your body. Number 9. Provides nutrients. Corn silk tea is also a massive source of beta-carotene, riboflavin, menthol, thymol, selenium, niacin, and limonene, among other essential nutrients. These are not available in all plant foods, and this makes this tea highly helpful for your health. Number 10. Treats rashes and boils. Corn silk tea can also be used topically to treat skin problems such as rashes, boils, and helps in relieving itching and pain caused by insect bites, scrapes, and minor cuts. It has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that help in preventing infections. How to make corn silk tea? Making corn silk tea is not difficult. All you need to do is boil 1 tablespoon of corn silk, chopped in 1 cup of water. Once it is done, cover the pan and allow it to steep for 15 to 20 minutes. When it is cold enough to drink, you can add 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you desire. This sweetens the tea for those who prefer it that way. You can store the remaining tea in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. The dose depends on the condition that you suffer from as well as your body weight. The general recommendation for adults is 1 cup, 2 to 3 times a day. Experts recommend not drinking corn silk tea right before you go to sleep. The dose for children should be reduced accordingly. Before you use this tea as a treatment for any condition, make sure that you consult your healthcare provider to make sure that it does not interfere with any medication. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.